Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a trademark with the USPTO. First, understand that a trademark protects your brand's name, logo, or slogan from being used by others. Federal registration provides nationwide legal protection for your intellectual property. The USPTO offers an online system for submitting your application, making the process accessible. Remember, careful preparation and accurate information are crucial for a successful filing, helping you avoid delays and potential rejections. Before filing, conduct a thorough trademark search using the USPTO test database to ensure your mark is unique and avoids conflicts. Next, determine your filing basis, either use in commerce if you're already using the mark, or intent to use if you plan to soon. You'll also need to identify the correct international class or classes for your goods and services. Finally, prepare a clear drawing of your mark and, if applicable, a specimen showing its actual use in commerce. To submit your application, you'll need to create a USPTO Gov account with two-step authentication to access the Trademark Center. Carefully complete the online application form, ensuring all required details are accurate. The base filing fee is typically $350 per class of goods or services, but this can vary. Be aware that additional fees may apply if your application doesn't fully comply with requirements, for example, using free-form text for descriptions instead of the ID manual. After submission, an examining attorney will review your application for compliance and potential conflicts. Be prepared to respond promptly to any office actions they issue. To maintain your registration, you must file maintenance documents between the 5th and 6th years after registration, and then every 10 years thereafter. It's crucial to continue using your trademark in commerce with all registered goods and services, as non-use can lead to cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.